Hello everybody, Longhorn Classic here. We are loaded up, ready to go, get on the road, 450 mile yearling classic final. We're excited here, birds are ready. Let's see if we can get in here and see the birds. There we go, trying to see them that way. Anyway, there's the birds, upper level, lower level. There's all the birds are ready to go, fed, watered, have the water troughs down below, got water to water them in the morning. It's Belleville, Kansas, and we're getting on the road here. I like to get there early so I could sleep, they could sleep or relax before we let them go. 7:15, 450 miles. It's gonna be a good one. So everybody, we're all loaded up, ready to go here. All right, good luck to everybody. We'll talk to you in the morning.